This is NIO on the daily chart, and we didn't quite get the lower low as I was anticipating because you had the buyers who are relentless at defending this $7 price level, and we didn't get the follow through as I was anticipating, as it's been a rough start to the year, but also a rough start in general, as the broader indices are down, led by tech. In recent days, we see price has been gapping down. There was an analyst that came out and said you should sell, and then there's another analyst that said you should buy. So who do you believe? Let's look at the article and then we'll. So Bank of America cut its rating on NIO to a neutral, sending the stock down. Early in the week, the bank said NIO won't be offering many new models in the first half of the year and will have to raise its marketing budget. But Mizuho Securities told investors to buy the dip, and shares halted the slide overnight. Now, NIO has a couple things going for itself. It's in the largest EV market in the world, which is China. And then they're trying to expand outside of China. It's taking its battery swap technology to Europe, promising to maintain a customer's driving range in as little as 3 minutes. The company is looking to build a dealer network in Europe in advance of launching 2 new product lines over the next year. NIO launched a new ultra luxury vehicle called the ET9 last month. However, slower sales led to layoffs at its Shanghai headquarters, but it has $2.2 billion in new investments from Abu Dhabi to fund the export push. The company is still debating whether to enter the U.S. market in 2025. The focus at NIO has been on its 2 new lines called Alps and Firefly, with prices starting at $25K. To make that price point and cut its losses, NIO is trying to gain control of its supply chain. NIO has also bought back its manufacturing from state-backed JAC Motors. This reverses moves made in 2020 when the company tied itself to JAC manufacturing, needing government help to stay in business. All right, so kind of going back to charts. This is the daily, but we have to zoom out. And this is the monthly chart. And I've wrote about NIO, made videos about NIO on many occasions. And I think the key level to buy, if price ever gets there, is this $6 target. Why? Well, it marks an area of accumulation in the past. It marks the apex of this W pattern, which sent NIO to the moon. Drilling down to the weekly chart, you can see how price has been range bound. You did have a fake out to the upside, but then you had this island reversal. And this area at roughly $10.25 was the line in the sand. If I kind of pinpoint the level of interest, that was actually a weekly buyers level, which did not hold. Now, to begin and end the week, you had a gap down and a go. Question is this $7 level going to hold again? Or will the sellers defeat the buyers? Only time will tell. Next couple of weeks should be interesting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.